Welcome aboard to Study Room KE. Today we want to deal and delve deeper into the issues of resources and economic activities, and in particular we want to handle tea farming. Do you know the processes that are involved in all this? Do you know about how the steps that you need to follow in dealing with the planting of tea? Now, if you live in Kenya and Kenya is your business, then you understand more about tea farming. So today I want to give a through pass to a new guy, a teacher who is going to take us through tea farming in Kenya. Zedok, take it away.
Agriculture, it is the growing of crops and also the keeping of domestic animals. In this lesson, we are going to look at the farming of tea in Kenya, whereby we shall also examine and evaluate the factors that are influencing tea growing in Kenya, and also we shall look at the areas where tea is grown in this country, Kenya. Tea farming requires human labor during its harvesting moment. Tea is mainly grown by both small-scale farmers and large-scale farmers. It is the leading cash crop grown in our country, Kenya, meaning it earns this country a lot of foreign exchange. This crop, it is grown on both small scale and large scale. And what we should also know it is that it is a crop that requires a lot of labor during the harvesting time. In order for this crop, tea, to survive rightly, it requires particular factors. One, it requires high altitude, meaning it is mainly grown in the Kenyan highlands. Tea is a crop that requires cool climate with temperatures of about 20 degrees Celsius. It also requires well-drained volcanic soils which are slightly acidic. Finally, tea requires a lot of labor. In other words, availability of labor is needed, especially during the harvesting time. Areas where tea is grown in Kenya, they are divided into two. We have areas where tea is grown on large scale. For example, we have Kericho, Murang'a, Meru, Sotik, and Bomet. In these areas, tea is grown on large scale. We also have areas where tea is grown in small particulars. For example, we have Vihiga, Nyeri, Maragua, and Gucha. Tea is a commercial crop. We grow it because it has a lot of advantages to us as human beings and also to our economy as a country. Number one, it is a source of employment. This means very many people are employed in the tea farms. Tea also earns the country foreign exchange. It means we do export most of it. Finally, it has led to the development of infrastructure. Areas where tea is grown, they have well-built roads to enable transportation. Thank you very much for listening and also following our, our lessons. My name is Zado Kotinga Amakoye. I have been your host. Please may you follow us on our YouTube channel, so that you can get more information.